Hello guys, welcome to the world, and I'm back again with a quick short analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And how is your trading going, guys? I hope it's going well and good. And today is a very huge day for Bitcoin because there's a big opportunity coming right now. So let me get back to the charts. So right now I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame chart, and as I already told you about this trend line, my trend line, and also this Fibonacci purple zone, and the Bitcoin price did broke this, but I was having some issues with the price because as we can clearly see this candle right here, this one, then this one, then this one. So there is a candle losing momentum of buyers. That means buyers are losing momentum. That is, there are chances of sellers to come in the market. So I was waiting for perfect opportunity. So right now we can see that there are two kind of a neutral dojis formed, and after that a big green candle. So right now I wait for some few hours, and if I see buyers pressure in the market, then I'll definitely go long on Bitcoin, and I will share my trade on Twitter. So do follow me on Twitter, because at the time I'll go long, I'll share the full trade on my Twitter. So I'll wait for few hours. Now coming to the Ethereum's chart, Ethereum daily time frame. So right now also I hope you can see this red dotted line which act as a very important support for Ethereum. So the price, when it gave a fake out and re-entered to the upside, so the price did not give a retest. But now if we closely see, the price has gave a successful retest here. So this also confirming that yes, there are buyers in the market, and in the future price can go up. So I'll wait for few hours only, and obviously I'll not trade Ethereum right now. I'll only trade Bitcoin. So this was a quick video. In this video I was only talking about how the price can so this was a quick video, and today I was only talking about that how the price can go to the upside or downside. So it's just a matter of time. Let's see what happens if the price continues to the upside, or there are some buyers in the market, because right now there is no much volume. I hope you can see this. Let me zoom in. No volume right now. So let's see what happens in the next couple of hours. Do check my Twitter to find out my latest analysis. And yeah, okay, this is it for today's video. And also, if you want to take this trade, you can do it on Bybit. You can get $30,000 gift for free if you sign up with the link in description. And yeah, you can sign up for free. Lowest trading fees and zero spot trading fees ever. So you can create an account on Bybit and start your crypto trading there. And do not forget to follow me on Twitter for my latest straight to the point updates and my trade updates, as I already mentioned earlier. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge through it, and what's the next move in the market and how can we make money through it. And guys, do not forget to create an account on Bybit with the link in description. It's the best crypto platform ever, and you can trade there and create an account for free. Follow me on Twitter. I'll share my trade updates there in couple of hours. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and see you guys next time.